Okay, solubility of O-albumin in water is 390 kg per meter cube. When 30 ml of ethanol was added to 100 ml of 50 mg per ml O-albumin solution in water, 33% of protein was found to precipitate. How much protein would precipitate if 100 ml of ethanol were added to 100 ml of a similar protein solution at same temperature? Assume that the dielectric constant of medium varies linearly with volumetric composition of two solvents. Okay, they have given that epsilon, that is the dielectric constant of water, is 78.3 and the dielectric constant of ethanol is 24.3, right? So it's nothing but a protein precipitation using organic solvents. We use the Korn equation. So generally, adding a organic solvent, organic acid like ethanol, reduces the dielectric constant, thereby the activity coefficient of the water decreases. Therefore, the macromolecule protein gets aggregated and precipitates. This is the basic idea behind the precipitation using organic solvents. So the Korn equation is ln of solubility by solubility in water is equal to A over RT, which is a constant, times 1 by the dielectric constant of water minus the dielectric constant of the solution. So given data, dielectric constant of water is given as 78.3 and A by RT has to be found out, and the solubility of the protein in water is given as 390 kg per meter cube. So SW is equal to 390 kg over meter cube. So let's calculate the dielectric constant of the solution. So we have added 30 ml of ethanol, so 30 ml times the dielectric constant of ethanol is 24.3 plus the 100 ml of solution, so 100 ml times the water concentrated dielectric constant 78.3 divided by the total volume 30 plus 100, 130 ml. So it's equal to 729 plus 7830 divided by 130 ml. So it's around 8559 divided by 130, which is equal to 65.83. So we need the value of 1 by epsilon. So 1 by epsilon is equal to 1 by 65.83, which is equal to 0.0152. Okay, then we will find the 1 by dielectric constant of water, that is 1 by 78.3, which is equal to 0.01277. So, and then it has been given that 33% of protein was found to precipitate. So the initial concentration is 50 mg per ml, 33% precipitates. So the soluble fraction would be equal to 50 times 1 minus 33 by 100. So this is a precipitation fraction. So 1 minus precipitation fraction equal to the soluble fraction, which is equal to 33.5. All have the same units. So ln of 33.5 divided by the SW 390 is equal to A over RT times 1 by epsilon water, that is 0.1277 minus 0.0152. So 33.5 divided by 390 is equal to 0.0859 is equal to A over RT times minus 2.419 into 10 raised to the power negative 3. So ln of this value comes around to negative 2.45. So we'll find the A by RT. Just cancel the negative sign on both sides. So 2.45 divided by 2.419 into 10 raised to the power negative 3. Therefore A by RT value is 1012.71. So we got the A by RT value, which is equal to 1012.89 and 71. So it has been given we have to find how much protein would precipitate if 100 ml of ethanol were added to 100 ml of a similar protein solution. So now the volume has changed from 30 to 100 ml. So we need to find the dielectric constant, that is epsilon is equal to 100 times 24.3 plus 100 ml of solution having a dielectric constant 78.3. Now the total volume is 100 plus 100, 200. So we found the value to be 51.3. So just calculate 1 over epsilon, which is equal to 0.0195. So we have the value of 1 over epsilon, 1 by epsilon, that is water, and A by RT is 1012.71, SW is 390, and we need to find the solubility. So ln of S unknown divided by 390 is equal to 1012.71 times 1 by epsilon. We found the value, that is 0.01277 minus 0.0195, right? The ln of S by 390 is equal to 1012.71 times minus 6.72 into 10 raised to the power negative 3. Okay, let's take ln to the other side. So we need solubility. S is equal to 390 times e raised to the power. This value comes around negative 6.8072. So solubility is equal to 390 times, the exponent term accounts to be 1.105 into 10 raised to the power negative 3. This is equal to 0.43 kg over meter cube. So the total protein concentration is 50 mg per ml, and the soluble fraction is equal to 0.43. kg per meter cube and mg per ml are the same, they interconvert. So mg per ml, therefore the precipitant fraction equal to 50 minus 0.43, which is equal to 49.57 mg per ml. So we need to find how much protein would precipitate. So the percentage precipitation is equal to 49.57 mg per ml of protein would be precipitated by the total protein present, that is the 50 mg per ml, which comes around 99.14%. So if we add 100 ml of ethanol to this solution having a protein concentration of 50 mg per ml, we can precipitate nearly 99.14% of protein. Thank you.